If you've ever installed a race fairing on a Ninja 400 or done something with the dash, removed the brackets here, done something to the front end, taken the fairing off, whatever the case may be, and you find that you can start the bike but it won't run, then the cause of it could actually be quite simple. The symptom of it would be this. Right, it starts up, but it won't keep running. And the cause of it in this particular case is this little sensor here. This is called a tip over sensor. And it's located very close to the plug that goes in the back of the dash on the Ninja 400. And it's really easy to muck this up because it's got a rubber boot on it and it's slotted in both ends. So it can actually be installed on some sort of holding bracket here. This particular one came with the race fairing that we've got. Either way, it can be upside down or it can be the correct way up. Now, it looks like it might go in there this particular way, and that is with the sensor at the top, the rubber boot kind of hanging over the top, and then the plugs going into the sensor from underneath. But that's actually upside down. And if you have a close look on the rubber, it actually says, little arrow, and it says up. So if you haven't read that, then all you've got to recognize is that the sensor needs to be at the bottom and the plug needs to be at the top. And then, like I said, it's really easy to make this particular mistake, particularly after you've removed the bracket that holds the dash and the front fairing that comes with the stock bike, and then replace it with a bracket holder like this, like we've got here, that we got from Wet For You Racing, that holds the race fairing as well. Now that we've converted or turned it over the correct way, right, it should start and keep running. There you go. Hope you found that quite useful.